Morning everybody, Nash and Joe with the Tampa Drain Dudes. Today we are in the Wesley Chapel area, just checking back in on the customer's house. We came and installed a drain in the other day. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to that video somewhere up in here. Okay, cool, now we'll continue. Basically, this drainage system that they previously had installed by the contractor was done with perforated pipe, but it did not have any rock in it. And we also have no clue where it was going. So it came down from their downspouts here. We think the back one went out and this one came forward, and this one was supposedly tied in, but we're not quite sure because we didn't find it. Nonetheless, this yard was super squishy. It was complete mud and mush all between this, as you can see in that past video if you go back and look. We're here in the morning. It had a little bit of rain last night, but the yard is nice and solid. All we did here was connect to this downspout. We looped around, sweeping, put in a catch basin at a low point. The sod is growing back nice where we put back down. Have another catch basin, you can see. There's some water in there. Still pretty solid. To another catch basin. A little bit of water in it, still solid. We tied in this downspout, teed it in, kept the line going. Still nice and solid, waiting on the sod to grow back here. Have some water in this one as well. Kept good slope coming through here. Another catch basin here. And coming up here, had the last downspout tied in. Moving forward. Morning, bud. Come down here where we had the pop-up emitter. Right here. No water in there with the weep hole. And this got covered by a little bit of lawn clippings, which won't stop the water flow. But that runs down to the last pop-up where it's been emitting perfectly. So this drain system has worked really well compared to what they had. The yard is solid, sod's grown back. You can hardly see where we installed it. Call this one a success. If you guys need any exterior drainage, check us out, tampadraindudes.com. Go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel where you can see more videos of how we installed these. I'll go ahead and put the link to the video that we did installing this one in the comments description, I guess. He's always looking at me funny.
Well, it was kind of bright this morning.
Yep. Well, that covers this. That covers this one. Later.